Beaten in the league since August.
It's the last 3 Premier League games with a loss against Spurs. Is still.
Soto's cross intended for Iheanacho, found him. That's an outstanding save. That is an outstanding save from David De Gea. And onside Rashford. Marcus Rashford does what Marcus Rashford has been doing consistently for week after week. He fires Manchester United in front. He is the Premier League's red-hot striker, and United lead.
Yeah, well, it's really clumsy on the part of...
Back to Maddison. Great ball. Rashford in on goal. 2-0. I think the flag's going up. Rashford is celebrating here.
Yeah, and I think after last weekend, everything's taken a little longer. Wow, he's actually onside. Is it Vass?
Well,
Vass that's kept him on?
Manchester United fans think this goal's going to stand. And Marcus... And he's fed Sancho. Sancho can play it on to Bruno Fernandes. Brilliant goal. Manchester United at their very finest. Leicester City torn apart. Old Trafford stands as one and salutes their side, who lead by...